Well, you can see our Zodiacs come in. That's where we came from the ship, one of the Zodiacs. So we walked up here, go through customs, and we got a little packet of maps and stuff. And now we're back on the bus here, heading out to start our tour. But that's it so far here. A little overcast day, said some drizzle, bada bing, bada boom, so you never know here, but you just have to play it by ear. All right.
Bigger map that he gave you.
Really?
大津の町をご案内これでしますね。
He's gonna guide us now. This is a town of Ozu.
大津にはこれ大津城というお城があります。
There is a Ozu castle that we saw from the bus.
江戸時代から江戸時代。侍時代。
It's starting in the period called Edo. Edo was about 1600 started.
その当時の建物が未だにここ残ってるとこもあります。
So a lot of houses, buildings built in that age, in that era, 1600s. This is the river water, and there is the cops are swimming inside the water. It's very clean.
That yellow one, I haven't
That's
seen that.
pretty. That's a pretty
More
one.
up here
It
too.
looks like Kusama.
こちらの飲み水とかお食事とかするとか。
の
そうじゃない。これはじゃあ水は。
昔はね、お城の堀端よね、内堀。
Not coming out.
This place, this house, as you're looking at, used to be factory.
そしてこの高い煙突、
There was a high chimney.
これをモルタルで囲んで今の塔がです。こういう昭和塔というこれ塔ができた。
Side here.
It's up
So
here.
that
これが城や
What's that
といて
tower
明かりを
that's down there?
so
That
they
tower.
always have a light
あれがこれ
constantly
です
on the top. It's hotel. And they sell like a soy sauce, miso,
ここは今治タオルを売ってます。
and
愛
also
媛県の
they
方ね。
sell imabari towel. That imabari towel is very famous. It's a high quality towel. It absorbs water very, very well. When do they open?
ここはハンバーグの食事ですね。
This is a kind of eating place. 何時に開きますか、お店は。
10時ですね。
10 o'clock
で
in the
毎
morning.
日じゃないんです。
We're going to try the pump here. Here we go.
Water still comes down. Yeah, it still works.
いや、同じですよ。2つあるだけです。
It's the same temperature. It's not a hot and cold. It's the same water. この赤いのはどういう意味で赤いんですか？
それは意味ありません。
ない。
赤いだけ。
消防車用とかではなくて。It doesn't have any meaning. They just put two together. ということは2つあるってことは1つ向こうから取ってきたってこと？
いや、同じ市ではあるん
I
です。
think we're going to go in this house here. We're going to take our shoes off when we go inside, but this is the area here that is the pumps I was doing. Rest of our group are going downstairs here. I have to watch where I'm going. I don't want to slip and fall here. It's too early in the trip to have an injury.
Just only 5 steps.
Okay.
これだけ階段、これだけで終わりです。
And then that is so high. And this house is built just by the river. It's very nice. It looks like the river is much taller. You better be careful your head. Watch out your head.
頭打つ人が多いかもしれん。低いから家が。気をつけてください。中入ったら。今はね、もう一つのグループが今白い人のが来るんですよ。
後からね。
もう一緒になる。すみませんね、19名お願いします。こちらへ来てください。
はい。Not a few steps left, but
ここでちょっと脱いでもらわんといけない。
はい。And here, once you arrived at the top of the stairs, you need to take your shoes off to go inside.
僕先上がってます。
はい。
Getting their shoes off down there. And my socks here. Watch your head. Thank you, thank you. So you got a little brochure. You got low ceilings throughout the whole place here. So
ここの部屋で待つように言ってくださいね。どうぞこちらへ。
very nice. Rattan. Yes.
Yes, tatami. Actually, above the tatami mat, they are spreading other material, but very soft walking.
This is tatami mat. No?
This one isn't.
This
That's
one is.
actually tatami mat.
Yeah,
but
this
is
is-
yeah, above the tatami mat, it's a bump. Tatami mats are taken off. There is a flat wooden floor that becomes a no stage for a Japanese no dance stage.
This is just on the other side here. Very beautiful, looking out over the river there, very peaceful. Might get some nice breezes up here on other days. Today, no breeze. There was a little drizzle earlier here, but yeah, okay. Keep pressing on here.
あのね、3回やり直してるけど、
Still more looking out at the garden here and
30
everything.
年ごとに、
Down here.
30年ごとに吹き替えてる。
Once we get our shoes back on, because we're still in our stocking feet here in the house, you can walk out there. All right. It's overhead, so I have to watch this to get my head in there. So, this is the outside of the house where we were in there, and we're going down here then. All right. This was, I think, the tea house here, he said. It's just a little tiny square room, pretty much. Not much else in there.
もう半分は行ってみて帰られてますね。
And in the back area here. Okay.
It was used as a refrigerator. They put ice inside and put to cool
Oh,
it.
okay, yeah.
To cool
奥行きはありませ
Kind
ん。
of like a old-time refrigerator in this cave here.
冷蔵庫。
Be a lot cooler in
氷を入
there.
れてね。
without taking shoes off, you can just stand on here up to here.
頭打ったようにね。
これ金岡さん上のこれなんか
昔のま
わお、
あ、フロアと書いてあるんですよ。
Oh, beam there.
なるほど。
I think this is the tea house here.
Yeah,
松の木ですね。
right. It's been here since this was
古くてもう
original. So there was a character was written
Well,
on this
yeah,
wood, but it's
Ah,
already gone.
There
But
was
you
stuff
can see
written
a
on
little
here, but
bit-
it's gone.
Yeah, little bit.
Ah, okay.
これはどこで買ったの？
All right, so I'm in here. Gotta watch my head here going in here on a lot of these places here. Okay. Okay, walking back here. Coming back. We're going back here from, look at that, it's got a little drainy thing in there. All these things carved out of rocks and stones, almost looks like a wheel there. I don't know. There's a bunch of them. Every now and then you'll come across one of these here. Another one with a little spiral down in there. Almost like a nautilus kind of like there, but I don't know. But stepping up here in the garden, and that's from whence we came down there, and we're going up here. I got my shoes back on, so I'm picking them up, putting them down as usual here, and come to a fork in the road. So I don't know if we're going to take the high road or the low road here, so I better wait for the guide. And still another choice here. That one looks like it's closed, so I think we're going this way here. Oh, look at that. There's a little thing here. You can have a little something here, so you can take a little drink of water here. Put some up here. Yeah. Moving on. Coming back to the house here. There's our local guide in front of
もう
us
外へ
here.
出ますね。
Now
Okay.
we are going outside of this house. Is that okay?
こちらです。
But this place is there's so much up and down. Yeah, this way please. We're going outside and
To the back of the
here,
house
follow
here.
me. Be very careful with your head.
Yep, we got lanterns here. Ah, that was the back that we saw earlier with the light coming
Right, yeah,
through,
like
and they
those
put the
inside.
panels so it
こ
looked
れが
very,
裏側
very
ね。
nice.
説明したね。
Yeah, yeah,
いかだ
yeah,
に
right up
桜の
top
花が
there.
彫った。
Okay. Okay.
This is the back side of the house we are in.
Now we're back outside here. Okay. Looks like sun trying to come out a little bit here. Gotta watch my step. Might be a little slippery here on this because it's damp here. So
ここ
have
で
to
待ち寄
see.
って呼んでくるけん。はい、でこっちから降りるからマジで。
All right. Coming over here. Coming down here. We're gonna go down by the water here, I think. Nope. Going back in? What's the deal here? I don't know. There's the river down there. We just came from the tour of the house over there and toured around the gardens and everything, but very nice spot here. All kind of little trails you can walk on, whatever you want here. Okay.